Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Xbox One and then you can share it with your friends very easily. So I'm just playing Halo Infinite now, messing around in the Forge. What I want to do is press the Xbox button, open up the side menu here, and then scroll on over using R1 to captures and share. Now we have the option to start recording if we want to capture the video clip. But under that is capture screenshot. So if I come to this section and I press capture screenshot, it's going to take a picture. Now I can view the picture very easily by going to the same section, captures and share, and then I can go to where it says recent captures and select this. And then I can see my screenshot right here. So if it's a video clip, it's going to be a triangle. If it's a screenshot, it's going to be a camera logo. So this one will be in 4K HDR. So I can select it now, and then I can view it. So let's view it real quick. This is what it looks like. So I'm moving around my controller. This is a screenshot. Then on the bottom, I can toggle HDR. I can delete, and then I can go to the official club, whatever that is. So let's go on back now to my captures and shares. So I'm in the game right now. I'm moving around. So let's go back to this section and go to my recent captures, or I can go to just share last capture right here. I can see it's my screenshot now. I can go to this and I can upload it to OneDrive, which then I can access it on my computer very easily if I want to go ahead and just share it from there. Now I have two options that are grayed out. See all sharing options, where I can share to like my messages, activity feed. I can send it to a friend and set as background. Those are grayed out because of my save location. I have it saved to a USB drive on my Xbox One. And I can change this by going to capture settings right here on the bottom. But if you do have a USB plugged in, you can save up to 1 hour long of video clips. So if you go over to recording length, you can see it's 2 minutes long. But if I save it to a USB device, I can have this up to 60 minutes long, 1 hour. Now to get those sharing options and to set as a background, you need to go to internal storage right here and then take another screenshot. And you can see I have more options under here now. I can send it to my activity feed, messages. I can set it to my mobile phone. I can set it as a background on my Xbox One. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.